Hey guys, today I'm going to do a really quick tutorial on how to add audio to Google Slides so that you can have voice over lectures. So this is an example of
Hey
what my
guys, and
students will
welcome to
see in
Lauren
one of my
Science, Human
presentations.
Anatomy and
They'll click to the next
Physiology.
slide, and this allows them to hear me and have directions. So let's talk about how we actually do this. So I'm going to get out of my presentation mode. I'm going to go back to my first slide where I don't have any audio, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, the first thing you're going to have to do is actually record your audio in a audio recorder on the internet. I found a really easy one. I think there's probably a lot out there, but this one called Vocaroo is super simple, and I know we all like simple. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize this because I don't know exactly what I'm recording, right? So I want to pull this out and have it next to my slides so that I can actually read off of my presentation or just basically have notes to help me. So here I go. All you have to do is click the red microphone and start recording. Hey guys, today I'm going to record how to add audio to Google Slides. Hit that stop button when you're finished, and then you have the option to save and share. So for the process of putting this into Google Slides, we actually need to download it. So click the download button. You can see it shows up right here. It's going to be in my downloads, but I need it because this is Google. I need to actually put it in my Google Drive. So I'm going to open my Google Drive. Okay, now that I'm in Google Drive, I'm going to click New. I'm going to File, Upload. I'm going to go to my downloads. Now, what I suggest is that you make all of your recordings for each of your slides, and then you can upload them all at once, so you don't have to do this for each slide. And maybe a good idea, they do automatically go in order by time, but if you want to rename them slide 1, 2, 3, and 4, you can do that as well. So I'm just going to click this one right here, and it's going to upload like that. All right, so now I go back to my slide. Let's maximize this. Okay, now we're going to insert audio, and there will be all of your um, vocaroos that you've just created. So I'm going to pick this one, and automatically the microphone shows up. Now you have some options. You can have the voiceover, the audio, where the students have to click on it to hear, or you can make it automatically happen when the kids click on the slide. When they go to the next slide, the next one will automatically turn on. So it's just up to you how you want to do that. You can hide the icon. You can make it go away when the kids present, so it just starts, your voice just starts happening, or you can have them see the microphone if they want. Um, and you can have it stop on the slide change. You don't want it to continue. If the kids want to move ahead, you don't want them to still be hearing the audio from the slide before. All right, I like to move mine over to the corner, but it doesn't matter if you're going to hide it anyway, then it doesn't really matter where it is. So when you present, this is what they'll hear.
Add audio to Google Slides.
And just like always, when you're ready to share a presentation, you just have to click share. Make sure it says anyone with the link can view it. If you don't want that, you can change it to restricted. Copy the link and then put it in your Google Classroom or on your Teams or in an email. You have lots of options. So I hope that this will help you in adding audio to your Google Slides.